Well, I had a good trading day yesterday, which was Wednesday, and a good trading day today, which is Thursday. Did pretty good, man, but with two different accounts. Let me explain, but I have to show you something first. Well, how did that happen, Corey? Well, let me explain. Corey, you're trading from two phones again. You don't need to be trading from phones. I mean, Well, look, man, I can't help it, man. I love technology, and I love the fact that I can do this from my cell phones. I can't help it, man. I should be trading on the laptop, but I have to come in here and set everything up and all that. So what? Two trades I made today in the building, man. But I can't help it, man. So I'm learning when to take the trades. That's the crazy thing. So I'm picking out a spot in the building to go take these trades and then close my phone up. And then I'm just going to trust my strategy and then go on about my business. So yeah, it worked out great today, man. And I think I might continue to do that. Hey, man, I'm doing what I got to do, man. Today, it was some great setups today, man. One trade happened where I just went into work, man, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I see a great setup, man. I really want to do this. I don't have time to get back to the truck. Let's take this trade now. So I'm going to take this trade. I'm going to set it for a 1-to-1, and then it's going to go my way. But yeah, we got to back all the way up. So first of all, how do I have two accounts? So number one. So I checked my bank account today, and I thought I got rid of all my accounts that I've blown. So apparently there was one that I've forgotten about that got rebuilt. So I've gotten rid of all of my old Take Profit Trader accounts. I've gotten rid of all my old Top Step evals. I got rid of everything. I thought I got rid of all my funded futures eval accounts, but there was one that I didn't get rid of that just snuck up in my bank account, and I'm like, my funded futures? How did that happen, man? So I go check, and yep, I forgot to close it out. I closed out everything but this one, and it got rebuilt. And I noticed today that I had a My Funded Futures eval. I'm like, I really don't want two accounts. I just want to focus on this My Take Profit Trader account, man. But I was like, you know what? I got it. Guess what? I'm going to trade it if I see a great setup, because that's exactly what I'm going to do. But I ended up finding some great setups today, man. Let's start with Take Profit Trader account. So as you guys can see right here on this phone right here, this is the Take Profit Trader this is the Take Profit Trader test account. Both accounts are not the real thing, guys. So on Take Profit Trader, I found a trade yesterday. I don't feel like looking for it. I found a trade yesterday. I had ended up losing a trade yesterday, and then I seen another setup like maybe an hour later, and so I was like, okay, this second trade, I'm gonna take it, and it ended up going my way, and I ended up gaining a little bit past my I ended up gaining more money back than what I expected. Meaning I end up gaining my money back plus some. So I ended up making $97 yesterday in my Take Profit Trader eval account. I was going to post it on YouTube yesterday, but I was like, nah, I'll just wait till the day to post it and let you guys know what happened in case I get another profit today. But today I took another trade, and I ended up losing that trade, and then seen another setup, and then ended up taking a second trade. And I thought it was going to go my way, and then it kind of did, and then I moved my stop loss because I didn't know what the market was going to do, and it stopped me out. I moved the stop loss up a little bit just so I could cover fees and stuff like that. So here's my Take Profit Trader account. All right, guys, so this is my Take Profit Trader account, man. So as you guys can see, let's go to account summary. All right, so as you guys can see, today I made $21.50 on that break-even trade. but the account is sitting at $50,779, guys. So we did pretty good yesterday, and today, like I said, we took a trade, but it was break even. I moved my stop loss up, and it ended up coming to stop us out, so I got the fees covered and stuff. But yeah, that's why you see that $21.50. So we are up in this take profit trader account, man. But that's not what I really want to focus on. Really want to focus on this other account. Alright, so this is the conversation for today, man. So like I said, man, we were $667 in my take profit trader account, but now we are at $779 in that account. But this My Funded Futures account did really good today. This is a conversation for today. Is this My Funded Futures? Yeah, we're trading from two phones again, man, but I'm making it work. To be honest, guys, I love doing this, man. A lot of people say I shouldn't do it, but man, to be honest, guys, I'm comfortable with it, man. I don't know. I've been using my phones for so long, man, so it's like I've gotten used to it, man. But nevertheless, I'm going to show you the two trades that I took today. I took some demand setups today on micro NASDAQ. Okay, NASDAQ gave me some supply and demand setups, man. So today, what is this again? November 7th. So today, guys, this is what I did, man. Let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. All right, so the first trade that I took, where's the time at? Let's go back to the time. I think this was at 7 something. Yeah, this was at about 7 a.m. Yep, it was in between where you see that big dip at down there on the stochastic. That's stochastic right down there, man. And if I go straight up, that's the trade that I took, man. So as you guys can see, pre-market, there was a demand setup. So like I said, I was getting ready to get into work, and was done talking to my wife and kids and stuff, man. After I shortly talked to them, I went into the building and noticed as soon as I was getting ready to go in, man, this daggone trade was getting ready to happen, man. It was getting ready to hit my spot. I said, dang it, man, I need to go back to the truck, man, to try to set everything up. But it came so fast, guys, I did not have enough time. I had to just do it on the fly, man. I said, you know what? I'm going to have to trade from my phone in this building. Let me go to the back, man, and put in my trade, and I'm going to just be done with it, man. So as you guys can see, I ended up just doing a 1-to-1. Now, why I got this red arrow up there, I didn't get out up there. Nevertheless, man. But this was my demand setup on the 5-minute time frame, micro NASDAQ. This was at about 7 something a.m. And so I was like, you know what? I'm going to take this trade. If it hits my zone and if it wick my area, I'm going to take it. And it was perfect too, man, because as you can see, it wicked the 34 5-minute EMA too, man. So it was like 2 confluences. Well, 3 really. So as you guys can see, the wick hit my area like I wanted to and closed above it. That's confluence number 1. Confluence number 2, it wicked the 34 EMA and stayed above it. That's 2. Number 3, the stochastic was at the very low. So I'm like, you know what? That's 3 confluences for me. I'm getting in the trade. So I just set it and forget it. And so I closed my phone up, guys. And then when as I started to fill up the product on my cart and then take it out to the front to fill up, I opened up my phone, and as you guys can see, it ended up hitting my take profit. So I risked $250 on this trade. So I was like, dang, that's good, man. Pre-market. I normally don't trade pre-market, but I'm like, it's all good, man. I will take that, man. So this second trade, man. So let's scroll up a little bit. So this trade happened, let's scroll down and see. This happened at about 9 a.m. Yep, about 9 a.m. And the stochastic is at high already. But guys, ever since Donald Trump won the election, the markets have been going stupid high, man. I'm like, dang, this cat win and the markets is going ballistic. Shoot, crypto going crazy, futures going crazy. options going crazy, Forex going crazy, everybody getting money, man. And I'm like, let me get in here, man. Dang, Donald Trump get in, and the market start going crazy. I'm like, Donald Trump making the economy go up, man. Let me get in and make some trades. So the second trade that I took, guys, so this orange line that I had made, this orange line was made in July. I change it to orange once the market hits it or touch it. This was a supply zone from July. And so it was blue. And so I noticed when market opening, market just kept pumping. Now, crazy thing, y'all, is because I was at work and I really wasn't able to watch it, man, I could have made a crazy amount of money, man. I could have made, had I held this thing, I could have made almost a daggone 4-to-1, man. A 1-to-4 on this trade. This could have been $1,000 trade had I just let it run. I was willing to risk the 250, and if it hit my stop loss, it hit it. I didn't care. I'm not finna move it after I hit my 1-to-1 because, like I said, I'm in the building. I'm really not able to watch it like I really want to, man. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna set a 1-to-1 just in case. But now that I look at it, I'm like, dang, that mug hit for that mug went all the way up to this supply zone. I was watching the market keep going up, and I said, you know what? This is a spot that I had drawn out in July. I said, if the market comes back to this, if the market goes up to this, I'm going to take this trade. It's going to be a short 1-to-1 since yesterday. And today, ever since Donald Trump ever since Donald Trump has been elected as president, the markets have been going stupid high, stupid crazy. I'm like, I would be crazy to take this trade, but that's one of my zones. And if it do hit, it's just gonna be a small 1-to-1, and I'm gonna get out. I'm not gonna go against the trend. Today I did because it was one of my strong zones that I had pointed out. Crazy for me to go against the trend like that, guys, but I trusted it, and I trusted that I was going to get a 1-to-1. So as you guys can see, as I back up a little bit, I had set a 25-point stop loss, just like the other trade. The other trade was a 25-point stop loss as well. 25-point stop loss, and if I go down here, this is also a 25-point stop loss. So this trade right here was a 25-point stop loss, like I said. I said, you know what? I'm going to take this trade, and I got in. I had set a limit order, and I just let it go, man. This trade right here, I had set it and forget it as well, man. I opened up my phone right when it was getting ready to hit my take profit. So, like I said, I set this limit order for another 200. I was willing to risk $250, the same $250 I made earlier. Say, you know what? Let's just go for it, man. And the thing hit perfectly, man. This trade hit perfectly. Crazy thing is, it was some good supply and demand setups on micro NASDAQ, man. Micro NASDAQ has not been working for me as far as supply and demand. But today it did. Ever since Donald Trump got in there, it's working. But we're going to click on this TraderVate account. As you guys can see on this TraderVate account, man, we are up $502.60. That's how much we made today, guys. So yeah, I did not expect to be trading two prop firm accounts, man. I will have to say this, guys. Man, I give props to Take Profit Trader, man. Take Profit Trader is causing me to be a better trader mentally. For the simple reason is because a lot of people don't like this, but the daily loss limit, shout out to one of the subscribers again, or whoever, I don't know who that was, I forgot your name, but shout out to you for reminding me, because I forgot Take Profit Trader. If you hit that daily loss limit, you lose the account. With like My Funded Futures and Top Step, and I don't know about Apex. Now Apex don't have no drawdown like that, but Top Step and My Funded Futures, if you hit the daily loss limit, they cut you off for the day, but you still have the account. They just cut you off so you don't blow the account. Take Profit Trader, if you hit the daily loss limit, that's it. So that's why I love Take Profit Trader, man, because it's causing me not to want to overtrade. It's causing me to select my trades and make sure that the trades that I take are good and don't take no dumb trades, man. Yeah, man, we are good, guys. We got 2 accounts again and we got 2 phones. Yeah, man, we're trading from 2 phones again, guys, man, but I just love it. This is what I do, guys. A lot of you guys said I shouldn't do it, but I can't help it, man. I just love doing it. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for the video, man. I didn't want to make this video too long, man. I didn't want to keep you guys long and drag out the video, but we made profit today. After blowing those 5 accounts with my funded futures, guys, that really hurt. I'm like, why did I buy those accounts to begin with, man? That was just so stupid. Then I really lost them within a week, guys. That's horrible. That's stupid of me, man. So guys, don't do what I do, man. Wait for your setup. Have proper risk management. Have discipline. Don't get greedy and maintain all 5 of them, man. Those are my 5 tips that I tell myself first, because the word is a double-edged sword. So it's just like the word of God, man. If I tell you guys, I got to tell myself first, man. So yeah, man, I'm telling my own rules to myself. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell for more videos and bangers that we got coming out, man. Discord coming soon. Stay locked in. Stay tuned. This Discord coming. I just trying to find out what I'm doing and what I need to do, because I don't know nothing about no Discord. So y'all bear with me. I know y'all want a Discord so bad, but just be patient with me. Remember, I talked about patience? Patience. I holla. Y'all know what it is. I holla.